Today, thanks to technology, we can explore the solar system up close and with more than just our eyes. Touch each of the panels to feel the difference between worlds. Most stars are orbited by planets. We know of thousands, and countless others await discovery. Everything around you is made of atoms, including you. Our solar system is so vast that nobody knows where it ends. Every object in the universe emits light. The sun, the earth, even you. Science always starts with a question. What? Why? How? Percival Lowell was an avid explorer with a passion for astronomy and mathematics. His interest in astronomy was sparked by views of the comet Donati.
This image was captured in 2014 with Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3. Use your fingers to explore this tactile visualization of scientific data.
Sometimes we see extremely bright features. 2 days later, those features are gone.
On the left, which is the near-infrared, you see just one bright star in the center. On the right, which is mid-infrared, you see two.
So Cassia exploded, and what you're looking at here are the dying embers from that explosion.
That material, as it spins faster and faster and faster, would actually be so fast in the middle that any star that tried to form would fly apart. It's that process of infall and ejection that makes the dramatic sort of hourglass shape that we're looking at here.
The bright nucleus of the galaxy. We have both star formation and a black hole. So there's an active black hole in the center of this galaxy.
As they form, the stars are very unstable. They develop extremely strong winds that blow away the gas and the dust that they initially used to grow.